Looking for the ultimate SSD upgrade in 2025? Meet the Samsung 990 EVO Plus SSD, 2TB. A high-performance, ultra-fast, and future-ready storage solution that will transform your gaming, content creation, and professional workflow. Equipped with PCIe Gen 4x4 and Gen 5x2 compatibility, this SSD delivers mind-blowing read speeds of up to 7,250 megabytes per second, meaning you get near-instant load times, ultra-smooth gameplay, and rapid file transfers. Whether you're launching a massive open-world game, editing 4K or even 8K video content, or handling large datasets, the Samsung 990 EVO Plus ensures your system operates at peak efficiency. With HMB technology and intelligent TurboWrite 2.0, Samsung pushes the limits of performance even further, delivering faster write speeds and enhanced efficiency without requiring extra DRAM. And thanks to its compact M.2 2280 form factor, this SSD fits seamlessly into gaming laptops, high-end desktops, and workstations. In 2025, speed and reliability matter more than ever. And when it comes to performance-driven storage, Samsung remains the leader. Don't settle for outdated drives. Future-proof your system with the Samsung 990 EVO Plus SSD 2TB. Light bulb but act fast. As demand for high-speed SSDs rises, stock won't last long. Click the link in the description now to get yours before it's gone. And while you're here, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and turn on notifications so you never miss the best deals and tech breakdowns. Rocket, upgrade your storage. Upgrade your speed. Upgrade to the Samsung 990 EVO Plus SSD today.